So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the font in Microsoft Word. So once you have Microsoft Word open up on your device, first thing you have to do is obviously type in whatever you want. So if I just type in this, or actually there's an underline, which I don't want that to happen. We're just going to go ahead and clear all formatting here, just like that. So this is an example of a sentence with font number 1. Now, as you can tell, if you actually have this home bar right here not selected, go ahead and select it. The default font for me is this Calibri font. So if you wanted to change the font, what you can do, review the font for that matter, just go to this Calibri right here, press on the drop arrow right here, and you can currently view the font that is selected. Now, if you wanted to change it to another font, what you can actually do is I'll just, press return a couple times. I'll go up to this bar right here, and I will do Times New Roman and type in the exact same thing. This is an example of a sentence with font number 2. As you can tell, that is typed in Times New Roman. Now, if you wanted to maybe change a certain word or whatever, or change the font after you write it because you don't really like it, instead of deleting the entire thing, you can highlight a certain word, go up to the fonts and just view it. So you can do Roboto font for this. For example, I can highlight that and maybe I do Arial font or this font. If you wanted to change the entire thing, you can highlight the entire thing. Go here to scroll a whole bunch of different fonts. So if you wanted to maybe do this handwriting font right here, you can do that and play around with it that way. But pretty much it's a straightforward process on how you guys can edit the font style or the fonts here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.